So for today, me and my family will be going to a camping to Revelstoke. So our car is packed here. I tried everything to be compact and to compress everything and try to do light packing, but seems like it's just like our car is too small, but it's enough actually. And we did bring some extra stuffs anyways, because just in case. So yeah, no pai, say hi. Bought this one from Amazon, waterproof. It's for my Osmo Pocket 3 in case it's gonna rain, and my other accessories too, like the extra batteries. Those are not waterproof, right? We're ready to go. We're gonna pray and then we're gonna go to the meeting place now. Ready to go. 18 minutes. Look at my hat, guys. We've been waiting here, guys, for like an hour already. More than an hour. Filipino time. My friends are Filipino time, guys. So we're here at one of our friends' place here in Revelstoke. So far the drive is kind of longer. Butt hurts. This is not the place where we're gonna camp. We are going to, I think, probably 30 minutes away from here. Oh, their place is nice actually. Kasi basketball dito sa pankis mga amo sa amo dito. No, look. Ay, baw, pre. Nakay ko andre pre, property insurance. Revelstoker!
Revelstoker.
Oh, how much is the firework? Firework? Sorry, firewood.
Firewood is
Sorry, fireworks. Gila. Campsite number 2. Grabe driver, may ulunan pa driver. So, unloading time.
Okay, I think we need to swap spots.
Oh, busy po niya siya, oh.
Too bad.
Kurang na rumah nih.
Lapad naman siya.
Size set up. Hi. Are you helping, mom?
Yeah.
Good job.
This.
Careful na ha, kaya mabuslot na itong foam. Ooh, look at our setup, guys. Here's our setup for tonight.
Movie. Ay, thank you. Nga talaga sa Canada.
Nakuha agad sa kami, Jurok. Hey, no, we're going to the falls. Are you going to the falls, no, Papoy? Are you ready to go to the falls? So it's really a good thing that I bought this bag here. It's very handy. At least it can protect my, hopefully, it can protect my Osmo Pocket 3 and my other accessories. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. So my friends were taking a dip. The current is too strong. The rocks are too big. There are a lot of rocks. And if ever, nope, not for me.
My shirt is so cold.
There's also a lot of other Filipinos here. It's nice. Hold daddy lang ga.
Okay. Noah is a hiker. Right?
So from our campground, 30 minutes to 15 minutes actually towards the ferry, and from the ferry towards this place 15 minutes, and no, actually 15 minutes towards the port, right? Then from the port to here is around 30 minutes. So if ever, give or take, around more or less 1 hour from our campground. So if ever you guys are planning to come here, just save like 1.5 hours going here and 1.5 hours going back, just in case you miss the ferry, because I believe the ferry trip is every 30 minutes or every 45 minutes, I'm not sure. So just in case you have kids, this is the thing that you need to take note of, that is very steep. Wow, it's a very, very steep downhill hike. Doc is a photographer. I got it on video, Doc. If you watch this video, good job. Good job. Dito ata yun. It's called a halfway hot spring. Halfway hot spring. Look at that.
Come on, come on.
Sabi mo, okay lang.
This is hot, guys. It is the hottest, I think. The other one is not the hot, the mild one.
You can try that one. I think that's the middle ground. That one is gonna.
Yeah. So this is where you can leave your stuff or change your stuff. Something. Init?
Init dito, sir. Huwag dito si Noah.
Too hot now, too hot. Let's go to the other side, no mapapoy. So it was a good experience. A little hot dip. So now we're leaving because we still have to travel around more than 1 hour. So let's go. So we're packing now. We're going back. Oh.
Go that way.
Okay. So the struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. But Noah is doing his best. My Noah is a very strong boy. Hiking is real, Nami.
Pero kung na-dehydrate ba?
Tingnan naman. These are wet clothes.
Inom-inom, tanan.
Made it, guys. Noah made it. Noah, bye. So now we're going back home. An hour or more. And yeah. So last day. Breakfast before leaving. So all of our chairs were wet because it rained yesterday, so, and also last night. It's not that a strong rain, but it's still able to soak our stuff. But it's not that much. So today we will separate ways. Some of us will stay to do the coaster thing from in the Revelstoke, while us we will go home early, as we're not gonna do it because we do have a little popoy. We are planning to go to the enchanted forest if ever. Let's see. We just gonna take a pic or if ever, so that we can see what it looks like there, because probably we don't have any more chance if ever we to do it next time, just in case, because this one's kind of far. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy our videos, and you guys take care, and see you guys on my next video.